Bridal party, let's go.
If I tell you I love you,
hey, that's it. Come on. There we go. Hey, there we go. Energy, come on, hey. Let's go, come on. Hey. There we go. Let's go, hey. Here we go. Bridal parties are energy, come on, let's go. Energy, let's go, come on, here we go. All right. Hurry up. Oh, baby. Let's go, hey. Sangu, energy. Come on. Let's go, come on. Give it to them. Hey, let's go, hey. Come on, hey. All right. Thank you, DJ. Lovely stuff. Can you please make some noise for the lovely bridal party? Please make some noise for the bridal party. Okay, please. Just one thing. As we welcome the king and queen, please keep the passageway clear, okay? I do not want anybody blocking the way. So pull your chairs in, okay? There will be plenty of time for you guys to come on the dance floor. And as well, please clear the dance floor. So I want to ask our lovely gentlemen to please just leave this space here for exclusively for our bride and groom, okay? Are we excited? Let's go and play our Korean name out here, s'il vous plaît. Okay, are we good? We are ready, okay? Listen, I want to get this right. It took me some time to practice this name, alright? And I want to get this right. So please, ladies and gentlemen, if we are ready, alright, let's welcome the latest couple in town, the latest couple in London, UK, Mr. and Mrs. Ngozi and Kamara. Let's go, energy, hey, here we go, let's go, energy. Come on, let's go. Hey. Bridal party energy, let's go. Hey. Listen, hey. Bridal party energy, hey. Let's go. Take it up, hey. Go low, hey. Come on, come on. Let me go. Energy, come on. Here we go.